question number 15, they've asked that discuss the characteristic features of internal migration in India. The second part is explain how urbanization is linked with it, and the third part is what are the major determinants of rural to urban migration in large agglomerations in India. Let's find some solution for this question. Okay, so internal migration in India refers to the movement of people from one region to another region within the country. So the characteristic feature. So at first we should define this internal migration term. So internal migration means uh, movement of people from one region to others within the country. So the characteristic features of internal migrations are, so we'll discuss about some features of this internal migration. First is economic reasons. Obviously, this is one of the major reason. That is, economic reasons such as job opportunities, better wages, and living conditions are the major drivers of internal migration in India. Second will be the rural-urban migration. It will be the rural-urban migration. So, majority of internal migration in India is from rural areas to urban areas. So this is because cities offer better employment opportunities and better amenities, obviously. Thirdly, a common scenario in Indian economy, excuse me, seasonal migration. Okay, so many migrant workers in India engage in seasonal migrations where they move to cities for work during certain seasons and return to their hometowns during other seasons. Okay, another part is informal nature of migration. Internal migration in India is often informal and unorganized, which makes it difficult to track the movement of people and provide them with adequate social protection. And urbanization is closely linked with the migration. Okay. Linked with migration. So urbanization is the process of people moving from rural to urban cities, leading to the growth of expansion of cities. Migration contributes to urbanization by increasing the urban population and changing the demographic profile of the country. So this is the explanation of the second part of the question, that how urbanization is responsible. And the third part of the question was, what are the major determinants of rural to urban migration in large agglomeration in India? So in this case, the major determinants are, firstly, economic opportunities. Obviously, the availability of better economic opportunities such as jobs, higher wages, and better living condition are the main drivers of migration to cities. Secondly, the educational opportunities. That is, access to better education and training facilities in cities can also be a factor in attracting migrants. Thirdly, the social networks. If existing social networks such as family and friends already living in such cities can also influence migration decisions. Another thing is the infrastructure and amenities. That is, access to better infrastructure and amenities such as healthcare, housing, and transportation can be a factor in attracting migrants. So the next part is the push factors in rural areas. Push factors such as poverty, lack of employment opportunities, and poor living conditions in rural areas can also lead to migration to cities. So in summary, internal migration in India is largely driven by economic reasons and is characterized by rural urban migration and informal nature. Migration contributes to urbanization, which in turn affects the social, economic, and political landscape of the country. The major determinants of rural and urban migration in large agglomerations in India are the economic and social factors and the availability of infrastructure and amenities in cities. Thank you.